Hello everyone, welcome to the August My Monthly Hero release Little Library. Let's take a closer look at the My Monthly Hero kit for this month. Starting off with the adorable tiny library die set, this creates the cutest little library. How you have books, you even have a little worm, some bees, flowers, a little sentiment die as well, and the best part is those doors actually open so you can have a little interactive element to your card front. It's super cute and so fun and a little customizable because you can change what you place inside that library. Let me show you a couple samples here. Look how adorable this is. Again, those doors open. You can sandwich acetate in between to create like a little window and then fill it with those little die cuts. So cute. We have another example here. This time we put the little worm inside, and again filled with books. Love the little banner or pennant accent and that sentiment die cut below. So simple, so cute. This is an adorable little die set. And this card, she went so creative and turned it actually into a shaker window, and I think that's a fun idea too. So great focal point. I think so cute. Lots of fun with this die set. Next up, we have the library card and pocket die set. This die set creates a pocket as well as a library card. There's some additional die cuts in here, some flowers, even some birthday images. You have a party hat, candle, cake. I love these kind of office-y elements. The paperclip is my favorite, little tapes, and a heart. A great die set. And again, this creates a pocket for that library card, so it can be another kind of interactive element to your card front. Super cute. We have a couple samples here. Here you can see on this card all those birthday die cuts there, the cake, the candles, and that actual pocket for the library card. So fun and cute. Love this one too, where you can see all the flowers that the die set also has, kind of decorating that envelope. So cute. And then you saw it on the previous cards, but there is a stamp set also included in this month's kit. This is the Library Stamp and Cut. It creates a bunch of sentiments all on this kind of library book theme, but also gives you a large stamp to actually stamp on that die from the library card and pocket die set. You can stamp this library card image, and then you have all of these sentiments you can place on that card to really create some fun and creative sentiments. We have an example here. You can see where it's stamped out on the die cut, and she stamped overdue, first edition, a bunch of fun additional accents and elements. It's a really cute set. And this is a stamp and cut, so there are the coordinating dies in the back here for many of the sentiments in this set. See another one. This one's all birthday themed. She stamped happy birthday, first edition. Hope this year is the best chapter yet. Here is a kind of you're the best, almost a thank you theme. It says overdue, which I think is really fun. You're the best. Is there anything you can't do? And I do want to point out that this one over here is a fun idea because you can actually have this card as like almost like a coupon. It says, happy birthday, this card is for a nights out. And there's a bunch of other sentiments on here like that for a girls' night out, for you're amazing, but heartfelt, so cute. Lots of little additional sentiments that you can use. Okay, and of course there's a paper pack in this kit as well. Here on the postcard that you receive, you'll see a guide that points out all the papers that you get and the name of each color cardstock. So if you love something, you can find it again. And here are all the beautiful 10 half sheets of colored cardstock, a really fun, warm palette. Absolutely perfect, I think, for the little library collection. Now let's take a look at My Monthly Superhero. This includes everything that you saw in the My Monthly Hero kit with these additional items, starting off with the big book die set. This creates a large book for your focal point, but not only that, you have these kind of labels where you can place your sentiment. You have a die to create some eyeglasses. So cute. And even a die for a bookmark. It's a super cute set. Really fun for a focal point for your card. Here you can see it die cut out. I love it. I love tucking that little bookmark in the corner. And look at how cool those eyeglasses are. You can add acetate to them so they have a really cool texture and shine. So fun. Here's another example. This one's actually turned into a shaped card. You can see inside here she has the library card, which is from the August My Monthly Hero Super or My Monthly Hero Kit, which of course is included in the Super. So cute. I love this idea. Adorable. And you've already saw it on one card, but let's take a closer look at it. This is the Novel Greetings Stampin' Cut. Some great sentiments in this set. Nice large scale, designed to work with the big book die set, so you can place those sentiments right on the front of that book. Some will fit inside some of the label dies in this set that you see here. Right there. Some are perfectly scaled for that. And again, they have some wonderful book sentiments. The little book of many thanks, a lifetime of thank yous, our friendship is one for the books. A lot of great sentiments. Here in the back, you'll see the coordinating dies. Love them. Lots of great cutouts for some of the negative space. So you end up with a really beautiful lacy die cut like you see here. And here's another example. Love this one, Tale of Gratitude. So cute and fits really beautifully on that label even when it's turned over. So it's landscape style as well. And they work so beautiful on their own. They don't have to be used with that big book die. I love this project that Kelly created using some of the smaller dies from the tiny library die set. And next up we have a layering stencil. This is the classic floral layering stencil set. There's 4 stencils in this set. This creates a beautiful floral pattern. Let me show you an example here. So pretty. Actually, they're 6x6 stencils, so it creates a large panel. It can be a complete background of your card, either horizontal or landscape, or profile or landscape, so it works either way. It's a nice large stencil set, and it's so pretty and easy to use. Stencils are so fun. You can combine them with paste, like you see on this project here. So lots of techniques you can use with that. And of course, you see how beautifully it works as the cover for your books as well. And here we have a final project showing you how beautiful it looks on that cover of the book with your sentiment. And I can't see if the light can pick it up, but we have a little bit of glitter paste used with that stencil layer as well. So really awesome layering stencil. Great complement to this collection. Did you know if you get 12 consecutive months of My Monthly Superhero, you can get a free special Hero Arts gift? It's easy. All you have to do is print out this map that's linked on the subscribe page of our website and simply stick on the sticker that comes in your kit. You can start anytime, but you need to get 12 months in a row. Tag us on social throughout your journey to share your progress, and email us with a picture of your completed passport to receive your gift. Both kits are available now. Head to heroarts.com to pick up yours today.